Hey, it's that time again. Better grab your Balisong and invite your friends. I really like it. The finish. It looks a little better in the pictures online, just slightly, but it does look really good. It feels really good too. All right, let's flip it. Oh my word, it's so light. Oh dear heavens, it's light. I think this is going to be a great one to learn new things on. It sounds good. A lot of times with plastic balisongs, I have a hard time keeping the momentum going, and this just feels super good with the momentum, and it's super light. This is definitely going to be something I really enjoy. Considering how much I like the NRB Koenig, I'm not really surprised. Balisong.
I have it. Wow. Oh, great.
Thank you.